Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of technology and explore how a microwave oven works. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the microwave's core component, the magnetron. This device is responsible for generating microwaves, which are essentially electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength in the range of 1 millimeter to 1 meter. Now, when you place food in the microwave, the magnetron emits these microwaves, which then bounce around inside the oven's cavity. This cavity is made of a material called dielectric, which is designed to absorb microwaves. As the microwaves bounce around, they cause the water molecules in the food to vibrate. This vibration creates heat, which is then transferred to the food. But wait, there's more. Microwaves aren't the only thing happening inside your microwave. The magnetron also generates a small amount of heat, which is used to warm up the food. This is why some foods, like popcorn, can be heated even without the microwaves. Now, let's talk about the different settings on your microwave. The power level setting determines the amount of energy that's being used to heat the food. The higher the power level, the faster the food will cook. The time setting, on the other hand, determines how long the microwave will run. It's important to note that microwaves are not a magic wand that can cook any food perfectly. Some foods, like eggs, need to be cooked at a lower power level to prevent them from exploding. And remember, microwaves can't cook frozen food evenly, so it's best to defrost it first. So, there you have it. Now, you know how a microwave oven works. Remember, always use your microwave safely and follow the instructions on the packaging of your food. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!